The Beautiful Bird Story. Once upon a time, there was a king who was very fond of hunting. One day, while hunting out, the king came across a beautiful bird. The king was so impressed by the bird that he decided to take it back to his palace. When the king returned to his palace, he put the bird in a cage and hung it in his room. The bird was very unhappy in the cage and missed its freedom. One day, the king noticed that the bird had stopped singing and was very sad. The king asked the bird what was wrong, and the bird replied that it missed its freedom and wanted to fly again. The king realized that he had been selfish and decided to set the bird free. The king opened the cage and the bird flew away. The bird was very happy to be free again and started singing once more. Moral: we should respect the freedom of others. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.